Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Channel Podcast. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English Channel Podcast. I'm Anna, and I hope you're all having a truly wonderful day wherever you're listening from. It's so good to connect with you. Before we jump into today's super helpful topic, I have a quick request. If you enjoy what you hear on the English Channel podcast, if you find our discussions useful or inspiring, please take a moment to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to grow and reach more learners and listeners like you. We absolutely love hearing your thoughts and questions in the comments. All right, let's dive in. Today, we're talking about something that has the power to reshape your entire day, your morning routine. That crucial first hour or two after you wake up can truly set the tone. It determines whether you feel rushed and stressed or calm, focused, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. We're drawing inspiration from a fantastic image that outlines 7 morning habits to make your day better. These aren't complicated or time consuming habits, but they're incredibly powerful in their ability to transform your mornings and, by extension, your entire day. So, grab your cup of coffee or tea, get comfortable, and let's explore these 7 habits. Let's kick things off with the very first habit, which often lays the foundation for all the others. Wake up early. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. I am absolutely not a morning person, and that's perfectly fine. Waking up early doesn't necessarily mean before the sun rises, especially if you're naturally more productive in the evenings. It simply means waking up with enough time to ease into your day rather than hitting the snooze button until the last possible second and then scrambling. Giving yourself that extra 15, 30, or even 60 minutes can create a wonderful buffer, allowing you to incorporate some of these other positive habits without feeling stressed or rushed. A tip: if you struggle with this, try gradually shifting your bedtime earlier by 15 minutes each night and wake up 15 minutes earlier. Consistency in your sleep schedule, even on weekends, can make a huge difference. Moving on to our second habit, which focuses on cultivating a positive mindset. Practice gratitude. This is such a simple yet profoundly impactful way to begin your day. Before you even get out of bed or while you're enjoying your first sips of water or tea, take a moment to think about 3 specific things you are genuinely grateful for. They don't have to be grand gestures. It could be the warmth of your bed, the comforting sound of rain outside, the delicious smell of coffee brewing, or simply the fact that you woke up feeling rested. Why it helps. Actively focusing on gratitude immediately shifts your perspective. It moves your mind away from worries or things you lack and instead centers it on the abundance and positive aspects of your life. This fosters a positive and appreciative mindset that can carry you through the challenges of the day. Our third habit is a wonderful tool for mental clarity and calm. Meditate. The idea of meditation can sometimes feel intimidating, but it doesn't need to be. Meditation isn't about clearing your mind completely. That's a common misconception. It's more about observing your thoughts without judgment and gently bringing your attention back to your breath. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of silent or guided meditation can significantly reduce stress, improve your ability to focus, and enhance your emotional regulation throughout the day. If you're new to it, there are many fantastic guided meditations available on apps like Calm, Headspace, or even YouTube. A tip: find a quiet spot, sit comfortably, close your eyes, and simply focus on the sensation of your breath. When your mind inevitably wanders, just gently acknowledge the thought and guide your attention back to your breathing. This next habit is particularly crucial in our hyper-connected digital age. Limit phone use. The irresistible pull of our smartphones. It's incredibly tempting to reach for your phone the very moment you open your eyes. But immediately diving into emails, social media feeds, or breaking news can bombard your brain with external information and other people's priorities before you've had a chance to connect with your own thoughts and intentions for the day. Why it helps. Giving yourself a phone free buffer in the morning allows you to set your own agenda and cultivate a calm headspace before reacting to the outside world. Try to wait at least 30 minutes or even an hour before checking your phone. Use that time for gratitude, meditation, or preparing a healthy breakfast. Moving on to our physical well being with our fifth habit, have a healthy breakfast. Breakfast truly earns its title as the most important meal of the day. After hours of fasting overnight, your body needs quality fuel to kickstart your metabolism and provide sustained energy for your brain and muscles. Skipping breakfast or opting for something high in sugar and processed ingredients can lead to energy crashes, poor concentration, and increased cravings later in the day. A tip. Aim for a balanced breakfast that includes protein, whole grains, and healthy fats. Think along the lines of oatmeal with berries and nuts, scrambled eggs with whole wheat toast and avocado, or a nutrient packed smoothie with protein powder. And speaking of energizing your body, our sixth habit is exercise. You don't need to commit to a full, intense gym workout every single morning. Though, if you can, that's absolutely fantastic. Even just 15 to 20 minutes of light to moderate exercise can make a profound difference. This could be a brisk walk around your neighborhood, a short yoga flow, some dynamic stretches, jumping jacks, or a quick body weight circuit. Why it helps. Exercise is a natural mood booster because it releases endorphins. It also increases blood flow to your brain, which improves alertness, focus, and overall cognitive function. It's a wonderful way to wake up your body and infuse it with energy for the day ahead. And finally, our seventh habit, which helps bring everything else into focus. Plan your day. Once you've nourished your mind and body with the previous habits, take a few dedicated minutes to review your schedule and plan your priorities for the day. This can involve looking at your calendar, making a simple to-do list, or simply identifying the top 1 to 3 most important tasks you need to accomplish. Planning gives you incredible clarity and direction. It reduces that anxious feeling of not knowing where to start and helps you allocate your time and energy effectively. It empowers you to be proactive and intentional rather than simply reacting to whatever comes your way. So, there you have them 7 powerful morning habits to make your day better. Remember, you don't have to implement all of them at once and perfectly from day one. Choose one or two that resonate most with you. Start small and be consistent. Gradually, as those habits become easier, you can add more. Over time, you'll likely notice a significant improvement in your mood, your energy levels, your productivity, and your overall sense of well being. I truly encourage you to try incorporating some of these into your routine this week and see how they can transform your mornings and, by extension, your entire day. Thank you so much for joining me today on the English Channel podcast. I'm Anna, and I look forward to connecting with you again next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Take care and have a wonderfully productive and peaceful day.